Hello, everybody. This is Eddie from Eddie's Garage. We're back on Valerie's Chevelle, and we're gonna do her floor. It's there's rust, pinhole rust spots, and we're gonna do it right. So we bought a patch panel from the Original Parts Group Inc. And we're gonna patch the floor today. Well, start to patch the floor today. We'll see how far I get. So here we go, guys. I'll show you guys the floor. Okay, here's the patch panel we're gonna use. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. I'm just cutting out where it's bad because I want to keep as much of the original floor as possible, because the original metal is a lot thicker and this one is real thin. But I'll show you where I'm gonna cut out. Okay, so you can see some pinholes. So I'm just cutting out from right here, this line, all the way across, then down this way, and then back this way. So I'm gonna clean it up first, and then we're gonna take care of that. I'll put you guys on time lapse and we'll clean it up. Okay, bye. Okay, so I cut out the patch panel and it looks good. Now I'm gonna I traced the line on the inside where I'm gonna cut it out. And then I'm gonna cut and butt the floor in. So we're gonna get to that. Okay, well, the floor is cut out. Now to put the patch panel in. Yeah, it's gonna look good. Here's the piece that came out. Now, put this in for now. All right, so I cut out that piece that was behind here, and you can see that it fits good. So now I'm gonna cut and butt the rest of the floor pan in. But yep, it's coming along nicely. I'll be back, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I gotta finish, I gotta patch up this hose that is the passenger rear fender well. Yep, so I'm gonna take care of this right now. Alright guys. Hello guys, I'm back. And today I'm be working more on the floor on Valerie's car, trying to finish it up. And let me show you what I gotta do. So let me flip you guys around. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I gotta cut this brace off because I gotta get behind here. You guys really can't see it, but there's a hole and a slit that didn't weld up. So I have to cut it so I can get behind it and then re-weld that brace back in. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'll show you guys after I cut it out. So, okay, so I cut out the piece. Now you can see the floor is actually bent up and they didn't pound it back down. And so get a better yeah, so it's hard to see, but I have to hit the floor back down and close that piece that's there. Yeah, it's a pain, but yeah, these guys didn't do a good job at all. So we'll get to it and I'll be back. Yeah, now you can see what I gotta patch up, which they didn't. So yep, then I'll put this piece back in and that'll be done with the floor. All right guys.